ma'am.
Yes, you can call me ma'am.
Much prefer ko madam.
You can call me ma'am if you want.
Gusto ko yung madam.
Hi baby, I'm here at the strawberry farm.
Call us madam.
Oh, madam.
I'm going to pick fresh strawberries. Is that okay? It's for the economy of the Philippines.
Ang ina mo. Pangit.
Oh, my friend told me that I'm ugly.
Baka po mamaya mahulog kayo.
Do I look ugly?
Buti nga.
Tell me, my baby.
Ay, ito na talaga yung lettuce.
Oh, this is lettuce.
Ba't mas mahal sa inyo dito?
Oh my God, how do I unlove you? How do I unlove you, Baguio?
Did you picking it? Sige, mama. Dito po.
Oh, this is the tourist guide.
Benguet.
Oh, it's Benguet.
Baguio.
Eh, di Benguet. Shoot, ang inamimi pala eh. Oh, baby. This strawberry farm is very near to Baguio. It's just like 30 minutes away. Yeah. Yes, I want to see the strawberry beach. Kaya ako ice cream strawberry.
Hindi, tuba lang.
Oh, it's so pretty here. Oh, scary. Look, look.
Look. Ina ni bakal lang.
Baby. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, this is the way. Mamsi, wait. Ay, ate, wait lang po. Nanginginig ako. Nasakot ako. Okay, where are we? Are we still in the Philippines? I want the strawberry minasang arigato. Kakawa-kakawai. I'm so happy. This place is so beautiful. Hey, friendship. I'm here now. Yes. Oh, ayun yung strawberries, my God.
Hanap ko yung tali mo ng talong dito.
Ah, Pokemon.
Asan nalaglag?